So this US oil analysis for Tuesday, the 27th of February. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices come down pretty close towards this 200 period moving average. We had prices move back up above the 61.48. We traded above the very next level, marked out here in red around 62.54. And we've had a test of 63.05. The test of 63.05. Let's just so after the test of 63.05, we had a retracement back down towards a 62.54, traded slightly beneath it, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum take us above the 63.05, and we've headed up towards our 63.76, found resistance at a level previously identified in around 63.76. We've had sell side momentum take us back down towards our 63.05, again another level previously identified, and from there we saw prices move back up and break above 63.76. Now we're into a bit of a consolidation, a bit of a rest period here on the US oil. A bit of a rest period here on the US oil after having this break of the 63.76. Now we do look poised for another test of 63.76. If we do hold 63.76, we're looking for further upside momentum on the US oil, and the very next levels that we are looking at to the upside are 64.76, and beyond which we are looking for prices to head up towards that 65.60 on the US oil. Levels to the upside again, we expect the far end of the range to be around the might possibly be around that 65.60, unless we do have a particularly volatile day. We'd expect 65.60 to be the far end of the range. If however we do break down from where we are at present, and we do break down beneath the 63.76, we're looking for price head down towards a 63.05, beyond which we're looking for 62.54 and ultimately 61.48. Now we do have, before we do head down all the way down there, we also have the 200-400 period moving average currently sitting at the $62 mark. So overall, we are trending to the upside, which is in alignment with the higher time frame trends, and we do look poised for another test of 63.76. And if we do hold that, we're looking for prices to move towards our 64.76 and ultimately 65.60. And again, if we did break down from where we are at present, the previous swing lows in the market have pretty much aligned near perfectly with the horizontal levels that I would be looking at, and with that said, that should pretty much wrap up the hourly chart. So just have a brief look at the daily. So over to the daily chart we go, and we get the scale on here correct. So we previously came in towards our 66.71, had a pretty strong sell-off down towards this 58.28, is it? Down towards our 58.28 and 59. We've had this move upwards, brief pullback, and a move back above. Now, this retracement does seem very strong. So we do look poised for a test of the old highs in around the 65.60. An area where we did find some resistance, but beyond which we're looking for 66.71, the previous swing high in the market. Now, the overall trend, again, it has been to the upside despite this very sharp pullback. We do look poised for further upside continuation, possibly, looking poised for further upside continuation on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.